Digital marketing is essentially advertising delivered via digital channels. Channels like social networking platforms, online communities, email, online directories, search engines, blogs, or any other digital channel that may be available and appropriate. In this video, we will talk about what is digital marketing and what are some of the digital marketing tutorials that beginners can use to get started with digital marketing. The reason digital marketing became so popular is that many traditional business owners realized that they were not reaching their target audience and, even worse, were losing potential customers every day. This is why digital marketing tutorials became so popular and one of the most valuable learning tools today for digital marketers. Here are some examples of digital marketing tutorials you can use to learn digital marketing. One of the first digital marketing tutorial topics you should explore is learning how to build an online presence. Many digital marketers have a website that they use to communicate with their prospects and clients. But building an online presence doesn't just mean having a website. It also means having an email list, using social networking sites, and creating a good reputation in the online community. Once you master these skills, then you'll be ready to go head-to-head with the big dogs when it comes to advertising. Another digital marketing tutorial topic you should consider is learning about pay-per-click advertising. Pay-per-click advertising is a great way to advertise your product or service without spending tons of money on television, radio, and print ads. Pay-per-click advertising can benefit both you and your clients because not only do you get to potentially reach thousands of new people, but you also get to choose the ads that will show up in their search results. That way you can get more exposure for your products, and you can track the performance of your campaign to make sure it's working. Of course, part of the real value of learning digital marketing lies in how you can actually implement it, so you can create a winning digital marketing strategy. In order to get the most from your online marketing efforts, you have to make sure all of your bases are covered. You set up a schedule to ensure you're getting a lot of effective practice time, and you learn digital marketing tips that will serve as the foundation of your entire business. This is why so many marketers struggle to set up a solid digital marketing strategy. Some digital marketers prefer to learn more about SEO techniques through online courses rather than tutorials. Online courses allow digital marketers to access the tools and knowledge they need in order to become better at internet marketing and increase their overall profitability. There are some great ways to teach yourself how to market digital products and services, though, and you can use online courses as a way to boost your knowledge without taking on any extra work or spending money on tutorials. Comment down below if you would like us to share some amazing and free digital marketing courses. With the help of digital marketing, organizations and individuals can establish a strong brand identity and position their product or service as the leader within their industry or domain. Visit the links below for more information.